Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel a Revolut payment, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Revolut app on your phone, and now go ahead and now you will be able to check out this kind of interface. Now first thing that you have to know is you can only cancel Revolut payment if that payment is still pending or is on the process. If the payment has already been done, then you simply won't be able to cancel it out. So keeping that in mind, we're going to go to the section of actions, and you can check out this request via payment link, right? You can say $50 owes you, and that also shows the date. Now we're going to tap on that. So now you can see this particular transaction is still pending. You can see this payment link will expire in 6 days. This is still pending. That's on top we have this option of cancel and share link. All we gotta do is tap on cancel and tap on yes, cancel to reconfirm it, and now this transaction will be cancelled. Now as I mentioned before, make sure the particular transaction or the payment is still yet to be done. So if you have any doubts about any transaction in the future, simply go ahead, add in a date or certain time, and then when you change your mind you can easily cancel it, but once it's done you cannot do that. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.